Hello everyone, I'm Saujin, mathematics teacher at Liaison Private School. Today we have new subject of chapter 5, lesson 2, multiply with 7 and 8. Let's see what is the multiplication for 7 and what is the multiplication for 8. Complete the multiplication table for 7. First, we have the times table of 7. Let us find it. First, what we have 7 times by 1. What is means 7 times by 1? We know it means we have 7 groups of one object. Okay, how many groups we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 groups of one object. Each group contains one object. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. 7 times by 2. 7 group of 2 objects. We have 7 group. Each group contains 2 objects. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so the answer is 14. Now we have 7 times by 3. We have 7 group of 3 objects. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So the answer is 21. 7 times by 4. We have 7 groups of 4 objects. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So it is 28. 7 times by 5, we have 7 groups of 5 objects, okay? 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So the answer is 35. 7 times by 6, we have 7 groups of 6 objects, okay? 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So it is 42. 7 times by 7, we have 7 groups of 7 objects. Okay, we have 7 groups of 7 objects. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So the answer is 49. 7 times by 8, we have 7 groups of 8 objects, okay? 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So it is 56. 7 times by 9, 7 group of 9 object. Okay, we have 7 groups. Each group contains 9 objects. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. So it is 63. 7 times by 10, we have 7 groups of 10 objects. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So the answer is 70. So it is the times table of 7, and guys, you should memorize it, okay? You should memorize it. Now we have the times table for 8. We have the times table for 8. Again, we have it. We should complete it, okay? First, we have 8 times by 1. What is mean 8 times by 1? It means we have 8 groups. Each group contains 1 object, okay? Look at here, we have 8 groups. Each group contains 1 object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each group contains 1 object, so it is 8. 8 times by 2, we have 8 groups. Each group contains 2 objects, okay? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. 8 times by 3, we have 8 groups. Each group contains 3 objects. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it is 24. 8 times by 4. 8 times by 4. We have 8 groups. Each group contains 4 objects, okay? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 8 times by 4 is 32. This time we have 8 times by 5. We have 8 groups. Each group contains 5 objects, okay? 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So it is 40. 8 times by 6. We have 8 groups. Each group contains 6 objects, okay? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So it is 48. 8 times by 7. 8 times by 7. We have 8 groups. Each group contains 7 objects, okay? 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So it is 56. 8 times by 8. We have 8 groups. Each group contains 8 objects. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So it is 64. 8 times by 9. 8 times by 9. We have 8 groups. Each group contains 9 objects, okay? 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. So it is 72. 8 times by 10. We have 8 groups. Each group contains 10 objects. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So it is 80. It is the times table for 8, okay? You should also memorize it. Now we have this question. We should use the timetable to answer them, okay? 7 times by 7. It is the timetable of 7. 7 times by 7. 7 times by 7 equal 49. So the answer is 49. 8 times by 7. It is the timetable of 8 and it's also the timetable of 7. 8 times by 7. 7 and 8 is 56. 56. Look at here. We can also find it in the timetable of 8. 8 and 7 is 56. It is the same answer. Now we have 5 times by 8. It is the timetable of 8. 8 and 5. And 5 is 40. 40, okay? And 7 times by 9. It's the times table of 7. 7 and 9. It is 63. 63. That's all. Thank you.